Come tour this home with me, located in the far west side of San Antonio, Texas. This builder is giving up to $17,000 towards closing cost. Chessbar Homes. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath, priced at $379,000. Follow me for a detailed tour. So from the street, you have a 2-car garage with this big driveway. You also have this nice porch to relax, have your coffee. So it's a good front view, if you will. So this is the size of your porch. This is your view. This is, you're gonna walk in. As soon as you come in, you have a bedroom here, or this could also be an office space with the vaulted ceiling. This is gonna be your living room. As you see, you're greeted with a big open concept, nice fan, huge ceilings. You got a nice little fireplace right here, which then brings you in to the kitchen, which you have 2 bar areas, 1 bar area here, and then you have another bar area here. You have about 6 windows here, bringing in super natural light. Right here by the fireplace where you have your TV set up. Look at this overview right here that people can look down and you can look up at. So this is quartz countertops. You got the black on black chef sink. You got your 4-burner gas grill, microwave. You have all this cabinet space up top and on the bottom and on the island. Here's your chandelier in the dining area. As you can see, I mean, it's just a huge open space for entertaining. This is gonna be your pantry. I actually like doors that say that, pantry. Looks pretty cool. So a lot of space, as you can see. Right here is gonna be your primary bedroom. So you have 2 windows right here with blinds already. So facing your backyard, that's where your master bedroom will be, facing the backyard. Then you have these French doors leading into your bathroom. Sorry, the light was on. And you have her vanity here with her makeup area. And you have his vanity here. And then you have a walk-in shower. So plenty of space in here. The closet space, I'm not too fond of. Here's your toilet. And then you have your closet space, which this, I guess, is her closet. This is his closet. It kind of ties into the laundry room, which wraps around back to the living area. Okay. From the living area, you have your full guest bath. So this is a full bath for your guests downstairs, which I think is pretty awesome. And it's a walk-in. So for your grandma or older people who need that little walk-in, that's perfect. Then you also have a guest bedroom down here. So again, right next to the bathroom. So this is your little guest bedroom that you have down here on the first floor. Again, for your mother-in-law, father-in-law, older people. Okay, now we have 2 doors right here. Again, that's your front door. So this door is gonna be your garage, which comes with a tankless water heater, by the way, and it's pre-pumped for water softener. So those tankless water heaters, it keeps the water hot at all times. So that way, if somebody's using the hot water up, you still get hot water as well. Then you have another closet space underneath your staircase. So some more storage space there. Again, that's the front door. That's the little office. This is your view as you walk in. You had your master over there. You had your guests right here. Kitchen, living. Huge windows. Now you're gonna come upstairs. So this home does have carpet upstairs and in the bedrooms. Right away, you have 2 ways to go. To your right is going to be another bedroom. So this is just another guest bedroom or kid's bedroom, if you will, which has its own vanity and a Jack and Jill setup, tub and toilet. So as you can see, you have your own vanity here, which is for your guests that are here. Or it could also act as the vanity for the other bedroom, which I'm about to show y'all. So, like I said, Jack and Jill setup. Okay, so this was one of the bedrooms upstairs. This is another loft area, spot to hang out in. So a little study room, game room. It's just another spot for more people to hang out in, which overlook the living room. So you can yell, kids, dinner's ready, and they'll be able to hear you. You have this closet space up here, linen closet. So here's your other bedroom. So I was just saying, this bedroom is good for the other vanity over there. So you got your own closet here, and that is your attic. Don't want to go in there. So you got your own bedroom here, which ties in to that bathroom right here. So there you go, ties into that bathroom. And again, you got that Jack and Jill setup. So this is the view from up here. So again, look at all these windows. This is just natural daylight. I mean, look at this. Alrighty, now we're gonna go ahead and go outside. I want you guys to see how big the backyard is. Check it out. Man, this is like, you can have your wine set up there, your coffee. So we're gonna go outside. This is from the dining room. Check it out, guys. I mean, Jesus, I would love to live here. So here's your backyard. You got the patio cover right here. So you can have your barbecue pit set up, you know, your fire pit, you know, things like that. It's a pretty good sized yard. Comes with 3 trees, brand new wood fence, privacy fence. You have a side gate right here. It is pretty good yard size. So the back and sides are this stucco type. I'm sorry, the back is a stucco type and the sides in front are gonna be your brick. So coming back in, there we go. Well, there you have it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this tour. If you want some more information or you want to schedule a tour, shoot me a DM and I'd be happy to help you get started.